Hello students, this is your first session of Principles of Economics. So in this session you are going to study meaning and definitions of economics. Economics is popularly known as Queen of Social Sciences. Economics is popularly known as Queen of Social Sciences. You can also say that economics is the mother of social science. Clear? So economics is popularly known as Queen of Social Sciences, and it is also known as the mother of social science. Economics actually studies the economic activity of man who live in society. Okay, this subject actually studies about the human activities in the society. Economic activities means economic activities is actually deals with those activities which are concerned with the efficient use of scarce means that can satisfy human wants. Dear students, when you are writing the meaning of economics or economic activities, you should give importance for the concept like scarce resources and satisfaction of human wants. ಇದು ಎರಡನ್ನು ನೀವು ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು. Okay, so economic activities in the sense those activities which are concerned with efficient utilization of scarce resources. Okay, the economic studies about the efficient utilization of scarce resources that can satisfy human wants. This is, of course, we have studied in our PU classes. Who is the father? Of course, it is Adam Smith as the father of economics. His book Wealth of Nation, actually it's a short form, you can say nickname taradan helodashte, Wealth of Nation. Actual name of the book is An Inquiry into Nature and Causes of Wealth of Nations. This book is called as Bible of Economics. Okay, this is actually he written in the year of 1776. 1776 ಈ ಬುಕ್ಕನ್ನು ಬರೆದಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ಅರ್ಥಶಾಸ್ತ್ರದ ಒಂದು ಬೈಬಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. Now the word meaning of economics. Economics is derived from the Greek word. There is two words which is actually associated with the word called as economics. One is okos and one more is nomos. I hope you have studied all these elementary aspects of economics in your PU classes. So okos means household and nomos means management. So you can say okos and nomos. Economics means household management. And when it comes to Indian context, you can say Kautilya is a great statesman who has written a book called as Arthashastra, is actually a first beginning steps in economics in India. Okay, let us give an important or a clear meaning of what an economics is in a simple way. Let us read the meaning. Economics is a social science that deals with how people at different level can utilize the available resources in the most efficient way to satisfy human wants. See, in this meaning you have to give importance for three steps. First one, social science. You should state economics is a social science. Clear? First one, what you have to say, economics is what kind of a subject? It is a social science. Then the next one is it deals or it discusses about how people are utilizing the available resources. How people are utilizing the available resources in the most efficient way to satisfy their wants. So second important step is utilization of available resources, and the third one is it actually studies how the scarce resources is used to satisfy human wants. This is actually the meaning of economics. Remember, you should say economics is a social science. It discusses about how the people at different levels can utilize available resources to satisfy human wants or their wants. Now the question comes, this is one of the important part of economics, this is one of the important reason of economics, you can say this is essential problems of economics. ಈ ಪಾಠನ ಓದುವಾಗ ನೀವು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಒಬ್ಬರು ಬಂದು ಕೇಳಿದರೆ ಇಕನಾಮಿಕ್ಸನ್ನು ನೀವು ಯಾಕೆ ಅಧ್ಯಯನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, ಅರ್ಥಶಾಸ್ತ್ರದ ಅಧ್ಯಯನದ ಮಹತ್ವವೇನು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದರೆ, ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗಿವ್ ಅ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ವಿದೌಟ್ ಎನಿ fear that this is a reason. The two essential problems of economics is, one is choice, the second one is the scarcity of resources. Choice in the sense, unlimited wants. Yeah, we know. ಆಸೆಗೆ ಮಿತಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, we have an unlimited wants. But resources, ಸಂಪನ್ಮೂಲಗಳು ಮಿತವಾಗಿ ಇರುವಂಥದ್ದು. Okay, this is two important truths which doesn't have a compromise. Okay, compromise illade iruvanತಹ ಎರಡು ಸತ್ಯಗಳು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ, ಒಂದು ಚಾಯ್ಸ್, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ಕಾರ್ಸಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ರಿಸೋರ್ಸಸ್. ಬಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಮೇಕ್ ಸಮ್ ಕಾಂಪ್ರಮೈಸಸ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್. ಸೊ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್ ವಾಂಟ್ಸ್. ಮನುಷ್ಯನ ಆಸೆಗೆ ಅಥವಾ ಅಂದರೆ ಬಯಕೆಗೆ ಲಿಮಿಟೇಷನ್ಸೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಒಂದು ಹಂತಕ್ಕೆ ತಲುಪಿದರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹಂತನ ತಲುಪಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋ ಆಸೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹಂತಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಮೇಲೆ 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 ಹೋಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತಲೇ ಆಸೆ. ಆದರೆ ಸಂಪನ್ಮೂಲಗಳು ನಮ್ಮ ಆಸೆಗೆ ತಕ್ಕ ಹಾಗೆ ಇರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸಂಪನ್ಮೂಲಗಳು ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್, ವೆರಿ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾರ್ಸಿಟಸ್. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ದೀಸ್ ಟೂ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ಸೇಮ್, ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಅನ್ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್, ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾರ್ಸಿಟಿ ರಿಸೋರ್ಸಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಅನ್ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದರೆ, ಬಹುಶಃ ಅರ್ಥಶಾಸ್ತ್ರ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋ ಒಂದು ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಡವೇ ಬೇಡೈತೇನೋ, ದೆನ್ ನಿರ್ವಹಣಾಶಾಸ್ತ್ರ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋ ಒಂದು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ನಮಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ ಇರಲಿಲ್ವೇನೋ. ಆರ್ ಎಲ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ವೈಸ್ ವರ್ಸ ಕೇಸ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ರಿಸೋರ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದರೆ ಬಹುಶಃ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ನಮಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋ ಒಂದು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವೈ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ದ ಮೇಜರ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆರ್ ಎಲ್ಸ್ ದ ಮೇಜರ್ ರೀಸನ್ why we are studying concept called as economics is choice and scarcity of resources. We'll see the definitions. ನಿಮಗೆ 4 type of definitions ಅನ್ನು ಈ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲಿತೀರಿ. First one is wealth definitions. Adam Smith defined economics as an inquiry into nature and causes of wealth of nation. Adam Smith defines economics is an inquiry into nature and causes of wealth of nations. So this is a definition which is given by Adam Smith, where he says that in economics we study the nature and causes. We study nature and causes of wealth of nations. This is popularly known as wealth definition. ನಿಮಗೆ ಫ್ಯೂಚರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಗೆ ಬರ್ಬೋದು, ಹೂ ಗೇವ್ ವೆಲ್ತ್ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್. ವೆಲ್ತ್ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಬೈ ಆಡಮ್ ಸ್ಮಿತ್. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್? ಎಕನಾಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅನ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ವೈರಿ ಇನ್ ಟು ನೇಚರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಾಸಸ್ ಆಫ್ ವೆಲ್ತ್ ಆಫ್ ನೇಷನ್. Likewise, you have another definition called as welfare definition. Okay, wealth definition is given by Adam Smith. Welfare definition is given by Alfred Marshall. So Alfred Marshall, in his book Principles of Economics, he defined political economy or economics. He defines as political economy or economics as a study of mankind in the ordinary business of life. It examines that part of individual and social action which is most closely connected with the attainment and with the use of material requisites of well-being. This is the definition given by Alfred Marshall. He says economic studies about the ordinary business of a man. It may be an individual or social action. That business may be related for individual or social action which is closely connected with the attainment of the use of material requisites of well-being. Okay, this is the second definition given by Alfred Marshall. This is also called as welfare definition. We'll see the another definition, that is scarcity definition. So Lionel Robbins, this scarcity definition is given by Lionel Robbins. She wrote one book. The name of that publication is Nature and Significance of Economic Science. Okay, the title of the book is Nature and Significance of Economic Science. Here she states that economics is a science. Economics is a science which studies human behavior as a relationship between ends and scarce means, which have alternative uses. So in this definition, she says that wants are ends, in the sense wants are unlimited and resources are scarce. So we are discussing about the human behavior, its relationship between unlimited wants and limited resources which have alternative uses. This is the third one, scarcity definition. I repeat, the first one is wealth definition given by Adam Smith, second one is welfare definition given by Alfred Marshall, third one is scarcity definition given by Lionel Robbins. Now the fourth definition, that is growth definition. The growth definition is given by J.M. Keynes, John Maynard Keynes. He is also called as the father of modern economics. So he defines economics is a study of the administration of scarce resources and of the determinants of employment and income. See, when Keynes comes, you should remember these two things, employment and income. He says economics actually studies about the administration of scarce resources. Of course, in all definition you have seen that economics studies about the scarce resources. But here J.M. Keynes gave importance for the determination of employment and income in the society. Okay, these are the four important definitions of economics. So this is actually your first class. Thank you very much. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the WhatsApp group. Thank you very much for your patient listening.